How are we feeling, Steve?
Ooh, decisions. I gotta make decisions.
I like how you said we as Team Evil.
Oh, come on.
Team Steve. You got
Team Steve.
We're gonna
for
have
the-
Steve and Hybrid
This
Steve.
on the
That's
top,
right.
and we're gonna have this guy on
That's
the bottom.
right. That's
So
right.
Tyler, who do you think's evil?
This is a scumbag.
See one.
Also, it's gonna be.
Could be you, Carter.
That's the deep one?
Improvement.
How's it going,
It's
Steve?
like, yeah, the sooner I do that, the better.
Shut up.
Do you agree?
Oh, yeah. I am
So
the traitor.
I kind of think that might be the best at the moment.
It's 4 books, but he's the only book. So
Yeah,
books and green.
I'm the book
green
boy.
Books. Yeah, eyes and books probably.
Carter, how are you feeling?
What I drew is
It's been over
hilarious.
for hours. You're toast.
I'm toast.
You're
Cook, bro.
Steven, you just lost. I just drew a straight.
Oh, okay. Well, I wanted to tell you, Carter, you're avocado mash.
I just got a straight.
I have to keep these. Yeah.